that on 18th of November this year 2023 they are going to release the seats of May, August and November of 2024. It may happen like you are booking PLAB-1 but you have to appear in the UKMLA exam. There will be no difference in the question pattern, in the difficulty level, in the knowledge. Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So in this video we are going to talk about the PLAB-1 seats. What does it mean, PLAB-1 seats once again for 2024? No, as GMC has previously announced and I have announced in my videos as well, like GMC is going to replace the PLAB exam where the UKMLA exam, yes, they are going to replace it. They have clearly announced on their website as well, like they are doing the workup for the UKMLA exam and they are in the end of completion of this workup. So once the workup will be completed, definitely they are going to replace the PLAB-1 exam and the PLAB-2 exam with the UKMLA exam. But the thing is, why they are again releasing the seats of the PLAB-1? So they have announced on 18th of August they are going to release more seats for the PLAB-1 exam for 2024. So they are going to release the seats for Feb, May and November of 2024. So what does it mean? It's mean definitely you are going to book the seats for PLAB-1, but in future if their workup will be completed, then definitely they are going to take UKMLA exam instead of PLAB-1 and it will be more or less similar to the same PLAB-1 exam. It may happen like you are booking PLAB-1 but you have to appear in the UKMLA exam, and they are saying clearly that there will be no difference in the question pattern, in the difficulty level, in the knowledge and in the candidate experience who will be going to take the UKMLA rather than the PLAB-1 exam. So let's go to the GMC website and I will update you everything in detail. So here you can see I have opened the official website GMC PLAB-1 seats, and down you can see that our plans for the release of the PLAB-1 places. When you will click on this website link, I have given the link in the description as well. So here you can see this is official website of the General Medical Council, and they are saying like on Saturday 18th of November 2023 at 10 a.m. GMT, this is United Kingdom time. You have to keep this time 10 a.m. like if you are in Pakistan it should be 2 p.m. we are going to open the PLAB-1 places. Okay, so they are releasing the places for the May, August and November. You can see the dates as well. Please keep in mind the timing, and the 23rd of May, 8th of August and 7th of November 2024 they are going to release the seats once again. So the other very important point is that you need to access the GMC online by the 10 a.m. on the given day using the link. You have to use this link. Definitely I will give this link in the description as well. You have to use this link to reach the GMC website rather than the GMC online web page, because web page will be more busy on that day. So apart from this, again I am going to show you that you have to use this link which I will give in the description. Then they are saying that you should expect some waiting time on the day. Definitely there will be a lot of candidates and the waiting time could be more on that day. So then they are saying that we are appreciating the demand and we will be running more release of seats during the 2024 for those candidates who will not be able to book the seats. So unfortunately if you are not able to book the seat on that date on 18th of November, so GMC is saying that we will be releasing more seats for the candidate. So the other important thing, if you want to book the seat of PLAB-1 on these given dates, so what is the requirement? So you should have English language evidence in your hand. So before release of the date, you have to provide the GMC with the evidence of your English language proficiency, either IELTS or OET. You have to provide the GMC this evidence by the midnight of 9th of November. So please keep in mind 9th of November is an important date. By the midnight you have to send the evidence. GMC will review your evidence by the 15th of November and then they will decide either your English language test is acceptable or not. So they will decide by the 15th of November. So please keep in mind, they will send you the response via email. Please don't call them. GMC is saying that in these days we will be very busy, so please don't call us again and again. We will definitely email you regarding the decision. So then they are saying must be less than 2 year old. Your OET or IELTS should be less than 2 year old if you want to be eligible for the PLAB-1 exam. You can see the video on my channel how to allow GMC, how to permit the GMC to view your OET result. So the other point is you should make sure that your name, date of birth, your scores on the OET result card should be same which you have provided to the GMC. Like there should be no discrepancy in the information provided to the GMC. So they are saying that after the 15th of November, they will not be reviewing any evidence submitted to the GMC. So after this, they will release the dates on the 18th of November, and then they will again start the evaluation or review of your OET results by the 24th November 2023. So these information are very important. So let's talk about the payment of your PLAB-1 exam date. So they are saying that you can pay via the debit card or the credit card, and make sure that your cards are internationally allowed. They are allowed by their bank to pay the international transactions. Okay, so the information on your card, you should have full name of the card holder, the address, the postcode, the telephone number, and you should have the proper 16-digit card number, card expiry date, and the CVV number on the back of card as well. This is very important. So once your booking will be done, so GMC is saying we will send you a confirmation email like your booking is confirmed for this date of PLAB-1 exam. So yes, you are going to book the PLAB-1 seats again, and GMC is saying booking in 2024 and the MLA. As everyone knows, GMC has already announced that from 2024 we are going to take the MLA exam instead of the PLAB exam. So they are saying that we are currently working to make the PLAB test compliant with MLA requirements, and which expect to complete in 2024. So they are saying that in early 2024, as part of the work, we plan to replace the PLAB blueprint with the MLA content map. So they are planning to replace it. So they are saying if you book a PLAB place in 2024, this may mean that your test is based on the MLA content map. Okay, like you book PLAB-1 and you may appear in the MLA exam as well. So they are again saying that MLA content map is set out the core knowledge, skills, and the behavior needed for the UK practice, because the PLAB-1 part and the PLAB-2 are already designed to test these areas. The standard of the test, the type of the question, and the stations currently used would not change. So the standard of the test, the questions, and the other thing they are saying the stations currently used would not be changed, and the candidate experience on the test day will also remain the same. This is important question. So if you want to book for the PLAB-1 seats for May, August, November of 2024, so this is the last opportunity. GMC is going to release the seats on 18th of November. So you will book the seat on 18th of November, and no one can say that either this will be the seat of PLAB-1 or the MLA. So the time will give the answer of this question.